Conjunctions are used to connect words, clauses, and phrases like peanut butter and jelly. You can have a donut or a cookie. The cookie tastes good, but beware of it.
Conjunction, junction, what's your function?
Hooking up words and phrases and clauses.
Conjunction, junction, how's that function?
I got 3 favorite cars that get most of my job done.
Conjunction, junction, what's their function?
I got and, but, and, or. They'll get you pretty far. And that's an additive like this and that. But that's sort of the opposite. Not this, but that. And then there's or. O-R. When you have a choice like this or that. And, but, and, or get you pretty far.
Conjunction, junction, what's your...
Photograph this QR code to like and subscribe to our channel, or I can't help you. But if you do, you help us to reach more learners like you.